Okay, hello. So I'm going to do Tana first and then Gabrielle. So Tana, I think some of the directions were missed. Part of the direction was to use a collage element. So I'm not seeing that, I'm just seeing straight vector. Okay, I think really all you need are these two, this panel, but put more detail into it. If you're gonna show lungs, then maybe spend a little more time drawing the veins and whatever. And what is this shape? Is it um, just supposed to highlight what you're looking at? Well, instead of just sort of leaving it kind of a wobbly, undefined shape, consider making it a little more defined, like a little more pow. So just, I just want to see more effort here. Maybe, give this person ears, put a little more shape into the hair, and then maybe look for a texture you can put into the background. I thought this was an interesting drawing, but I really couldn't tell what it was. So again, all I think you need is this block at the bottom, and then perhaps, look to see. There's tons of free textures on the internet. Just put that on the bottom layer. Or put it on the top layer and reduce the opacity. Put it between the line drawing and the background. Free textures. Any of these might be interesting since you're talking about health. I don't know. I might do something that is more nature-based. If you upload the AI file, I'll show you exactly how to do it if you can't figure it out. You could also type in something like free medical wallpaper. That you never know what you're going to get. So if this stuff is free, I wouldn't use anything that had an illustration element, but maybe a pattern like a sciencey DNA looking thing. I think abstract is a good key term. Abstract. Just something that just gives the piece a little bit more depth. Okay, so that said, I think you're going in a good direction. So Gabrielle, you attached two. I hate seeing two when you can combine the files. So I'm just going to look at the top one. By now, everyone should know how to combine files. It's really a professional way of presenting things. Okay, so I like the face. It kind of looks old-fashioned, and it does look like something is wrong here. But I'm wondering, it's a little too happy and bright, like a little bit more like she's having a dream than depression. So I'd be interested to see, instead of a white background, maybe try, redoing this on black. You can take the same stuff and just swap out, get the paint bucket tool and dab it around, adjust. If you did this in Illustrator, you can select that layer and do invert colors and turn the white to black. That might like automatically make it look like it's a little more depressed. Okay, let me know if you have any questions. Bye-bye.